Hi all. So today we will learn how to configure static route in Fortigate. So this is my little diagram. Okay. So here we have configured everything. Only the routing part is missing on the Fortigate that we will configure. Here we are taking this loopback IP which we have configured here, and we will try to ping from here. So if you will see IP is configured here in loopback, and we will try to ping from the LAN. So as of now it is not pinging, so let's configure the route for this. So by GUI first. So here let me log in. So first here we will see the routing here in the dashboard. If you will see here in the dashboard, we will not see any route for the destination. For source we have route, this one connected one, but for destination we don't have any route. So we will go to configure anything, any static route. You have to go in the network. We are going to configure the static route, so we will go under static routing. Under static route, if you will see, there is nothing configured, so we will configure our that IP, this IP 3.3, and next hop will be our this one. So here we will take a create new. Here we will give the IP which we want to ping 3 dot sorry the IP will be 3.3.3.3 and /32 IP. And next hop will be our router, internet router, that will be 10.10.10. And okay, and the port it will take automatically. Here we will enable this one. If we want to put any command, we can put that command as well. And if we will go in advance, if we want to like put the priority and all, we can put here. Otherwise we will just save, put save. Okay. So we will put click on save. Here we have configured now a routing. If we will go in the routing table, we will see one more route will be visible here. So if you will see, there is a route, and if we want to ping again, try to ping from here. So ping is working. Okay, so if we want to same thing configure from the CLI, that also we can do. So for configuring from the CLI, what we have to do first, we need to we will go here under static routing. We will delete this one. If we want to delete anything, we can delete from here. So it will ask pop up, you need to click on the delete. So it is deleted now. Okay. So if we will go again in the routing, so it will not be visible here. Okay. So we have count less count, and it is not here. So let's configure using CLI. So we will click here, and so we will configure the same thing here. First we will go under config router static. Then we will do edit one, because we don't have any routing. We will configure first one. Okay, so we will click on edit one. Okay, we are under that edit one. Now we can configure it. So we will configure the destination, DST. Okay, destination 3.3.3.3, and IP subnet will be 255.255.255.255. Okay, and we will set the gateway, and gateway will be 10.10.10.10. Okay, We will set the set device and port number. So port number we have to configure port number 2, that is we are using for LAN. If we will put so it will be visible here. So we have configured it. And if we want to do any other configuration, we can do this configuration. Like if we want to exit from here, we will just put in, it will exit. If we want to discard, we can abort. And if we want to configure next routing, we can go for next. And get, if we want anything get, we can run. So we can run like I have run here, right? So if we want to unset, we can unset it. If we want to set any configuration, we can set it. Same select and unselect as well. If we will end from here, it will take the configuration. Okay, so from here, if we want to check, we can do that as well. Get routing, router info, routing table, routing table, routing. Then we can put question mark static. So here we can see the configuration of this. Now we will try to again ping from here. So it should ping again. So we will see it is pinging. So if we want to see the same thing from here, now if we will refresh, it will show one more route. So you can see the same thing, it will be visible from here. Thank you for watching.